Good morning, everybody. Today's video, we are going to do the cleanup of the brass Full House year 2000 Zippo. Let's see if we can get it in there. The year 2000 Zippo. We're going to do a cleanup, polish it up, fire it up, get it rocking and rolling. Everybody knows Never Dull. It's a good cleaner. Get a chunk of it out of there. Not sponsored at all by Never Dull. Just use it. I've used it for years. I use it on the chrome rims on my vehicle. I always use it before polishing. I use it to get all the cleaning, because see how it starts out beautiful white. You could smell the solvent in it, the cleaning agents. And then you scrub your piece down, and it cleans brass, chrome, basically any kind of metal. I know some guys will just do a quick wipe down. You know, they'll do a quick little touch-up wipe down with the Never Dull cotton, and then they go and wipe it with the microfiber towel. I like to kind of scrub, especially if it's dirty. If it's something dirty, just like this is really dirty and tarnished. I'll give it a good thorough scrub with it, you know, because you keep getting off the tarnish and everything in the upper layer of dirt. And then after I do this, because it'll get it pretty clean, it'll actually get it kind of bright, you know. I'll show you here in a second, because you've seen what it looked like before. It was very, very tarnished and just nasty looking. And the Never Dull will get quite a bit off. It'll give you a decent sheen, you know. I mean, you can stop there if you want it. Cause see, look at that. It's already got a decent sheen to it, you know. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to bring it back, you know, to when the day it came off of the storeroom shelf, you know. The day somebody bought it is what I want it to look like, and if I can make it look better than that, even better. I just figured we'd do this brass Zippo really quickly, and then my next video we're gonna do a thorough cleanup of, I believe I'm gonna jump into that Barlow. That Barlow's not bad looking. I currently have it soaking in my solvent bottle. I do a mixture of PB Blaster, which is a penetrating lubricant, and WD-40 mixed together inside of a glass mason jar. And it's funny because that mixture looks like urine. It's kind of weird, but I soak the knives well, the knives that'll fit into that mason jar. I soak them into there, and because, as most of you guys know, WD-40, it's a penetrating cleaner. It was made as a cleaner, and I know it's recommended for eliminating squeaks and stuff, but it's basically a really good cleaner, and so it helps break down the dirt, the grease, the oil. It even loosens up the rust. It doesn't get the rust all the way off, but I let it soak. Look at that. Look at how bad that is. That's filthy. All right, now we'll wipe off. We'll wipe off the Neverdole, and then you can see. Like, honestly, if we wanted to, we could stop right here. This is really nice looking. The brass looks nice. But we're going to take it a step further. Yeah, because this is... Oh, wow. Looking at this, I think this emblem had came off. And somebody glued it on there, possibly. I'm not sure. Kind of looks like it. Huh. But check that out, okay? That's hitting it with the Neverdole. I don't know if you guys could see right there. It looks like that emblem used to be shifted over. Possibly. I don't know. Well, look at that. That's, that's got a nice sheen to it. But we're going to make it look better. Oh, I forgot the metal polishing compound. Let me grab that right quick. Okay, now, I've found this. It's metal polishing cream. I found this at my local CarQuest. Alright, it's from Blue Magic. Product that performs by Blue Magic. Alright. Found this at my local CarQuest. It is a 3.5 ounce tube, and this stuff, I swear, this stuff is like Flitz, okay? Because I love Flitz. I really do. I love Flitz. Alright, as you see, it comes out the same color as Flitz and everything. The only thing, I don't have my old tube of Flitz to look at the ingredients and size them up, but it looks like Flitz, and it cleans just as good as Flitz. And the little tube of Flitz that I had purchased cost what was it, I think it was 17 or 18 bucks, and this 3.5 ounce tube at CarQuest cost me $6. Alright, so you tell me if something looks like Flitz, smells like Flitz, cleans like Flitz, and is half the price, why wouldn't you go for it? Alright, now I got it rubbed in on the two sides and the back. That way I could still hold it. I'm going to run my Dremel here. I got my cordless Dremel. I'm going to run it at 15. with the polishing wheel. I don't want to run it too high, you know, going too fast, because it'll create a lot of heat on this. And even though it leaves a beautiful finish, it polishes up really well, but the friction of the high speed and turning of the wheel, you know, pressed against the brass, it creates a lot of heat. And if you stay in one spot going too fast for too long, it'll discolor. You know, it gets that that heat rainbow onto the metal, and we don't want that. You know, we just don't want that. Now, yeah, you can just rub the cream on and, you know, rub it with your finger and then take your microfiber towel, you know, and you'll get a good polish. Don't get me wrong, you'll get a nice shine. But I like taking the Dremel to it because of the friction on there and that slight amount of heat and everything, you know. And as you see, look at how it's turning black. It's getting everything out of there, you know. It's getting everything off of this case and gonna make it really, really shine and really, really pop, you know. We're gonna have a beautiful mirror finish when we're done with this. I tell you what, for you guys who do your own polishing and everything, you should try this this Blue Magic cream. It actually does work. If you like flits, I think you'll like this Blue Magic. I really do. I think you guys will like this Blue Magic. It does a fantastic job. And like I said, half the price. Where can you go wrong with that, you know? I'm all about saving money, but not cutting corners, you know? I don't want to cut corners. I still want a good product. But if I can save a little bit of money here and there, you know, I could put it to something else. That's great for me, you know? Man, you guys got to see this. This is beautiful. As tarnished as it was, we've got a couple of deep gouges in the back that I didn't see prior to cleaning. Alright, we still got more polishing to do on the other sides, but check the back out. Alright, check out that shine. Look at, there's the side. There's the opposite side. Alright, we still got to do the top and the front. But this stuff works miracles, man. And I mean, after you polish, if you want, you could take a little swatch of Neverdull and clean it off with the Neverdull, and then, you know, wipe off with your microfiber towel. And that'll get the residual stuff off. Sometimes I'll do that, you know, just to give it that extra little bit of clean. Make sure everything's good. But I really do like this Blue Magic. I'm going to have to buy me another tube. I want to keep it in stock, especially because we're going to start doing several cleanup videos. I've got to catch up on all these purchases that I bought for cleaning, and I want to make sure we get some good videos out and some good looking product. You know, and I don't want to be having to run around and, oh man, I forgot this or I forgot that. You know, I'm out of this, I'm out of that. I don't want to be doing that. So I think, actually, I think I got to go pick up some car parts today for my daughter's car. I might just grab one more tube while I'm there, just to make sure, because this is a brand new tube pretty much. I used it on one other thing, checking it out, you know, and sizing it up against the flits, which I ran out of. That was the whole purpose of grabbing this tube, was because I knew I was going to run out of my flits. And then doing a comparison, and it sucks because I shot film, you know, so I could compare them and show you guys, and my phone, for some reason, and it's never done that before, it overheated and kicked that video out. So I got upset about that. I hope it doesn't do that anymore. You know, I don't need to lose any more footage. I don't know what happened. My phone might be getting a little bit sensitive. And the other day when I was doing the comparison video, it was just a little bit warm. I think we actually hit 80. And then, of course, the temperature changed up on us and dropped again. You know, but I mean, the phone shouldn't have done that. Man, I'm liking the way this is coming out. This is looking fantastic, guys. What is that? Buff it off real quick and see what we got. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I think that emblem on here did get redone. I'm not too sure. I might have to look this lighter up online and see how the emblem was positioned on it originally. But it looks like it got redone. I'm gonna have to see if I could get that off of there, because this is a beautiful lighter, man. This is awesome. This thing is awesome looking. Now check out that finished product. Tell me that's not badass. I mean, that's what I'm talking about right there, where it looks like the emblem had been redone. I need to get that off of there. I need to figure out how to get that off of there, because it didn't come off with the polish. Look at that. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine. Otherwise than that, this thing is beautiful. Oh crap, I missed a spot. Didn't think about the opening. take care of that off video. Oh, the comparison that I had done was the insert. If you guys look back when I got this lighter, you'll see what everything looked like, including the insert. And I thought the insert was brass. I don't know why I thought it was brass, because I've never seen a brass insert on a Zippo. But check out the insert. Alright? Look at how that shined up. I did one side with this blue magic, and I did the opposite side with the flits. It's split 50-50 down the middle, and you cannot tell a difference. Alright, and then where the flint goes down through here, I removed the spring. I had to shove one of my picks through there to pop out the old flint. And then we got the new flint in, so now it strikes. And then I pulled the wick up and snipped off the old nasty stuff. So now we're going to take our Zippo fluid and fill her up and check it out. And if this is not a fail, this will be today's carry. I'm going to throw her in my pocket. Actually, I'm going to go throw it in a slip if everything's good to go. Alright. Moment of truth. Bam! First lick, guys. First lick. Gotta love a Zippo. Gotta love a Zippo, guys. Alright, guys. This is Wicked Blades. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I love you guys. Please like, share, subscribe. And, like I said, we're going to start doing a lot of cleanup videos here. That's pretty much what you guys are going to be seeing. Here shortly, I've got a trade coming, so we'll get into that one. Until next time, guys, I love you. Wicked Blades out. Peace.